lawful Terry stop. However, in the 2024 case of Sykes versus City of Henderson, the U.S. District Court for the District of Nevada explained that, quote, "For an individual to violate this statute by refusing to identify himself, the officer's request for identification must be reasonably related to the circumstances justifying the stop. The Supreme Court of the United States has upheld the constitutionality of stop and identify statutes only if the underlying stop was justified at its inception by reasonable suspicion that the individual committed a crime. Accordingly, because, as we discussed earlier, it is highly unlikely that Deputy Tyree had reasonable suspicion to believe that Damien had engaged in criminal activity, it is likewise improbable that a court would conclude that Damien could be lawfully arrested for obstruction for refusing to identify himself. Additionally, although the Court of Appeals of Nevada concluded in the 2024 case of Wilson versus First Judicial District Court in and for County of Carson City that refusing to obey a lawful order can constitute physical conduct that hinders, delays, or obstructs an officer, as we explored earlier, it is unlikely that Deputy Tyree's order that Damien, quote-unquote, sit was lawful given the probable lack of reasonable suspicion to authorize a detention.